cupboards will be full. You will not suffer shame and humiliation like that happened in the past. Look at what the Lord is doing to you. He is doing a brand new thing. He will make you well. He will make you prosperous. You will be a living testimony to other people in all parts of the world that Jesus is Lord. That Jesus delivers. Jesus heals. Jesus bless people. He is a covenant-keeping God. He has finished everything on the cross for you. All you have to do is to go out and share. Do not remain on those chairs. But move. Move. The word is rejoice. Move. Move. Move to the mountains. Move to the seas. Move. Lord, there are many people who needs help. Our Christian brothers and sisters who suffer in different parts of the world. You have to grow up and move and bring the gospel to the farthest corners of the world. And to do that, the Lord will extend His mighty hands. Lord, right now I pray you are going to stretch out your hands to heal. And grant that wonders and miracles and healings will be done in the power of your name, Jesus. 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 Lord, extend your mighty hand. Move your mighty hand. Let's move the mighty hand of the Lord. He has a mighty hand. He has a healing hand. He has a delivering hand. Move the mighty hand of God. Lord, I pray that these hands will be used by the Lord to give. I pray we will raise partners in this ministry that will partner my cousins and my uncles so that they can propagate the word of God. Lord, I pray, open your hands wide, Lord. Lord, come on, raise up your hand. The mighty hand of God. The mighty hand of God. The Lord has a mighty hand. He delights in the prosperity of His people. We are being moved by the Lord to move forward and be prayed over. You can move forward. You can put down your nose. I need some masters.